We're going to learn how to do this. By default, Fusion creates a border B centered on the outline of the texture. Through logical operations, we're going to get the inner outline D and the interior of the texture. Final assembly. We create sText1 and its instanced copy sText2 and play with booleans. In sText2 we uninstance shading 1 and 2, deactivate shading 1 and activate shading 2. First boolean in subtract mode for the interior of the text. Easy. Second boolean in subtract mode to isolate the outside of the border. Oops, the input order is reversed. Ctrl+T fixes the problem. All that's left is to subtract the outside from the full border. Let's move on to extrusion, otherwise an S-merge and an S-render lets us stay in 2D. The parts need to be extruded separately. We make an instanced copy. All that's left is coloring. The border is nicely on the inside. All that's left is changing the joins. We're going to apply a glow limited to the inside of the text. We complete the scene with lighting the way we like it. We resize the text. differentiate the parts of the text, we're going to use the Material ID. We add the softglow, which by default affects the whole text. We're going to differentiate the Material ID of the two extrude 3D nodes. We uninstance and change the value. All that's left is to limit the glow to Material ID 2. For that we use a bitmap set to Material ID 2. And there you go, the rest is a matter of taste and tweaking.